In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy from Alibaba safely. The very first thing to look for on any product page is trade assurance. This is Alibaba's built-in buyer protection, and it should be non-negotiable. When your order is placed under trade assurance, you're covered if the items don't match the description, if shipment is late, or if the supplier breaks the agreement. It also means your payment goes through the platform, so there's a clear record. If anyone asks you to pay through a private channel, like a direct wallet, a messaging app, or an off-platform bank transfer, pause and route everything back through Alibaba. Next, choose suppliers with a solid track record. Look for the verified supplier badge, check how many years they've been on Alibaba, 2 or more is a safer baseline, and review their transaction history, ratings, and customer feedback. It also helps to note whether you're dealing with a factory or a trading company, depending on whether you need customization or a broader catalog. Be cautious with brand new profiles that have no history. Clear communication prevents costly surprises. Use the Alibaba chat to confirm the final price, including shipping, the minimum order quantity, production and delivery timelines, packaging and labeling requirements, and any warranty or replacement policy. Keep all agreements inside the Alibaba chat so there's a documented trail tied to your order. Before you place a bulk order, request a sample. This small upfront cost lets you inspect product quality, materials, and packaging in real life. If you need adjustments, you can make them before scaling up, which saves time and money later. Go back to the listing and double-check the details. Compare photos to the written description, verify specifications and materials, confirm size, weight, and variance, and review customization notes. If anything is unclear, ask the supplier to clarify in writing before you pay. When it's time to pay, stick to secure options within Alibaba. Credit or debit card, Alibaba Secure Payment, PayPal where available through the platform, or a bank transfer initiated inside Alibaba. Treat any request to move payment off platform as a red flag. Confirm shipping and customs details up front. Ask which method they'll use, air, sea, or courier, how you'll receive tracking, what import taxes or customs fees to expect, and realistic delivery times to your country. Shipping can cost more than the product itself, so make sure it's itemized. After ordering, track everything in my orders and inspect items immediately upon arrival. Take photos or videos if there's an issue,